Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make veg coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients like cabbage, carrots, and your favorite dressing components. Shred or finely chop about 4 cups of cabbage and 1 cup of carrots. Make sure all your vegetables are thoroughly washed and dried. This initial preparation is key for a crisp and delicious coleslaw. Next, let's create that perfect creamy dressing. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of celery seed. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and perfectly blended. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour your freshly made dressing over the shredded vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Gently toss everything until all the cabbage and carrots are evenly coated. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your coleslaw another good stir to redistribute that delicious dressing. For an extra pop of color and freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. It's perfect as a side dish for any meal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.